Hi, and welcome to today's quick seated stretch where we will just take a break from the workday or maybe get a little chair yoga in if needed. I'm Heather, and if you like free yoga every week, then you're in the right place. So please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and let's get right into it. So go ahead and scoot forward. Come off of the back of your seat and go ahead and sit on the edge of your chair. Feet grounded into the floor if you can reach. And take both hands, interlace them, and start twirling them in little circles here. Almost in little figure eight, I guess, positions. Just twirling them back and forth, giving the wrists a little love. We're going to give the fingers a little love too, in case we've been sitting at a desk typing or writing. Now make a fist with your left hand. Go ahead and grab your wrist with your right hand and do 5 circles in one direction. And then 5 in the other direction. And now let's just switch. So make a fist with your right hand, grab a hold of that wrist, and 5 circles in one way, and 5 in the other direction as well. Release, maybe give the hands a little shake, and then take the palm, fingers face down in front of you. Grab a hold of your pinky finger and just give it a gentle pull back. Nothing crazy, just gentle pull here. We're going to be stretching out the fingers individually. And then grab a hold of your ring finger, gentle pull. And then now maybe your middle. Pointer finger. And then your thumb. And let's just move to the other hand. So maybe make a fist open and close with your left for a little bit first, and then let's move on to the right hand. So right hand, palm face down, or fingers face down. Go ahead and grab your pinky finger, give it a gentle pull. And then your ring finger. Your middle. And your pointer. Last but not least, our right thumb. Great. Make a fist, open and close. If you want to shake them out again, you can, both wrists. You can place your hands on your thighs here and go ahead and look to your left side. Now bring the chin down into the chest, rolling the neck down, and then just look to the right. And repeat that, roll it into the chest, look to the left. We're going to do about 5 of these half moon or half neck rolls here. You can even sync it up with your breath, inhaling as you go up and exhaling as you bring the chin to the chest. But just take your time with these. Give it one more wherever you're at. And then look forward. Inhale, bring both hands up to the sky and bend through the left elbow. Go ahead and grab a hold of that elbow with your right hand and give it a gentle pull back. Gently release, both hands back up high, and just switch to the other side. Maybe use this time to just focus on your breath for a little bit, letting everything else from the day, or letting your mind take a break from everything else from the day. Great. Both hands back up to the sky. Take your right hand, go ahead and grab a hold either of the edge of your seat on the left side, or if that's too deep for you, maybe just your left thigh. And inhale, bring the left hand over to the right side, look up maybe a little bit. And give yourself this nice side body stretch. And then go ahead and take this left hand, swing it all the way back to the back edge of your seat, and take a little twist, leaving the right hand where it was at. Maybe look back this time. Gently release, come forward, and let's just switch to the other side. So both hands back up. Go ahead and drop the left hand to the right side. Right hand comes up and over. Maybe look up. And then bring the right hand back around as you turn all the way to the right and look back. Maybe grabbing a hold of the back of your chair if you want to. Gently release, come forward, bring the right knee into the chest, give it a little hug, and then flex through the foot, cross it over the left knee. If this is enough of a hip stretch for you, just stay here. If you want to take it a little bit deeper, make sure the spine is nice and long first. Inhale, and then exhale, just fold it forward a little bit. And then inhale, come back up, bring the knee into the chest one more time, and then gently release it to the floor. Let's just switch to the other side. So bringing the left knee into the chest, giving it a little hug, and then flexing through that foot, crossing it over the right knee. If this is enough, stay here. If you want it a little bit deeper, make sure you're sitting up tall first. Inhale. And then exhale, fold it forward a little bit. Slowly come back up. Squeeze the knee into the chest first, and then gently release it to the floor. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick seated desk yoga stretch, and I hope that you enjoyed it. You enjoy the rest of your day. I recommend maybe take a quick seated shavasana. Close the eyes for a moment and give yourself 3 to 5 deep breaths before you move on with the rest of your day. Thank you for practicing with me, and I'll see you again soon. Namaste.